Hello and welcome back to How to Guide. We're learning how to log into Viber account in today's tutorial episode. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Go ahead and press that bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. To log into Viber, make sure you have signed up to Viber first, and once you have, go to your app list and tap open Viber. Now once you do that, tap on Start Now from the very first interface of Viber. Select your country code from the drop-down menu at the top, and once you do that, enter your phone number. After you're done, tap Continue. If you have mistakenly typed in a wrong phone number, then now is the time. You can correct it by tapping on Edit from the pop-up and correct your phone number. Tap Continue again. After you're sure this is the phone number you would want to use for Viber, select Yes from the pop-up. Allow Viber to access to your contact by tapping on Allow. Allow more access for Viber to operate smooth. Enter your full name. Tap on the tick mark located at the bottom right corner, and if you want to restore your chat history, then tap on Restore Now. Your backup is being downloaded on Viber. Wait for a few seconds. Tap on Allow for Viber to make and manage phone calls, and allow Viber to take pictures and record video as well. Allow its access to the device's GPS location by tapping on Allow only while using the app. Allow more access just like that, and you are logged into Viber. That is how you can log into Viber. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. We'll be sure to get back to you on those comments you make. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.